Hey everybody in YouTube land, Westbound Trains here. Hey, I want to thank all my subscribers who have found my channel the last couple of years and have enjoyed my videos. I want to thank you for that. Hey, and if you want to help new people who haven't found my channel to find it and enjoy my videos like you have, every time you watch one of my videos, give it a thumbs up. That's right. When you give my videos a thumbs up, it helps new rail fans find my channel and enjoy the videos the same way you have the last couple of years. So I want to thank you for that in advance. You know what's coming. More trains. Because you ain't seen nothing yet.
Sure.
C87 NS4434 CP Panama on the Bison Runner. We'd like a light Bison Runner east to the yard lead. We have permission.
C87 215 Panama runner, the yard lead east door.
The signal indication, runner yard lead. Thank you.
Yeah. 1 to 2, limited approach. 58.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 68.11. No defects.
Track 24. I have 79 of them at the West Air for picking up.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 68.11. No defects.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 4.2.6. Track 1. No defects. Out.
Stand by once you get coupled onto 32. I'm going to have to move some traffic before you double up.
We're declared CP.
Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. Got a train coming, it looks like he's going kind of slow. He's got to be on track 2, the opposite track, because I just heard the detector go off on track 1. Unless the track 1 detector train crossed over to track 2. And that's why this guy is going slow. That's a possibility. We'll see as they go by. I think he's on track 1. Both trains are on track 1. So that one that's coming this way, the opposite direction of this train, has got to be on track 2. He had to cross over. Wait a minute here. No, he is on track. He is on track 2. So it must be that eastbound is going to be on track 1, the opposite track. It's hard to tell. It's bright glare of the snow. No, I think he is on track 1. Yeah, he's on track 1, so this other one, like I said at the beginning, is on 1. He crossed over to 2. Look at that, 3 Norfolk Western hoppers. 3 in a row, trifecta, pretty cool.
Yeah, we're
coming in, turn over.
Ducks on board, DPU is clear of,
Look at that KCS car. It's pretty cool. Look at that.
Yeah, Clinton Street. Once they get in position,
Seen one of them in a while.
advise the runner to drop.
waiting on fire department, once they're getting this done. CSX, equipment defect detector, milepost 682. 670, 3189, clear. DP39 for me, 359. Total axle 56. Yeah, C8 Cleveland. Position.
DPU, all right, 5223.
Guys in C93, go ahead. Guys in C93, go ahead, over. Okay, CP coming in for 32. Let me get back to you on the game plan. Let me see if, I gotta get 315 by all the switches first, and then we'll be able to move some more traffic.
Alright, if it helps, we'll line it after they leave and walk up to the high end at 437 after we hang our markers.
Okay, I gotcha.
Hello, 9-3. 9-3. I'll get you back to the rear to get the marker on. 32 seems to be on. Leave the marker by the switch, that's fine.
CNW boxcar. Pretty cool. Symbol on that train was the CSX M367. That train originates in Selkirk, New York, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at the clearing yard, all on this Valentine's Day, Friday, February 14th, 2025, from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. Guess that eastbound train must have stopped somewheres. Here comes the next video. Roll it.
M419 up.
Alright, Amtrak 64, departing Niagara Falls.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 412.7. No defects. I'll have you guys stop right beside me. I'm going to pick it off you there with my truck. 17, that's track 1. No defects. 5 waiting. I doubt we'll get track 2. You want track 1 back, so give it to us.
315 by.
You need to nudge your nose in or wherever you can get it. Cruise probably about 15 minutes from getting you there. Wherever you want to nudge it to and tie down, I'll have an advance here shortly to get you.
Looking good on your set. Roger.
It's like a blizzard out there at times. Really cold wind chill too. I was just out there. Can't really do nothing out there. Too cold. Here comes this train here. Roll it.
Park it in the Lloyd Road.
Can't even see what it is.
Yeah, I was thinking that. 10 short. Like 3 westbounds there already, and like 3 or 4 more coming. Yep. The cluster when we were trying to leave. Before you get there. 168, 13,
Symbol on that train is the CSX M565. That train starts out in Selkirk, New York, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates at Bedford Park, where it's clearing yard. All on this Thursday, February 13th, 2025 from Wide World of Trains and YouTube. Here comes the next video. Roll it.
Gotta stop it, please.
Yeah, just gotta stop here at the crossing and pull ahead when I get
427.1. 417.6. 1 west.
Alright, the I-169 CSX 554 minute condition south 417.6. 418.0 west on track 1 at authorized speed, okay for the 11:45 on the corner. I don't know if this is a good day. Clear 37, track 2 east, CSXT 4740L.
662.
I'm going to work here, Windland Foods, northeast, heading east, looking to run around the town area.
MG, dispatcher M217, Broadway for recruit.
Okay, Broadway.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 68.2. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 484. End of transmission. 6.43. No defects.
Volume 405, over.
4949, entering CP 31, number 1 track, west direction out.
That's over.
Norfolk Southern, milepost 26.43. No defects.
Hold it. Now don't click away because there's more trains to come. There always is at Wide World of Trains because you ain't seen nothing yet. Here comes the next video. Roll it. Didn't want to hit the camera.
of transmission.
And 6-4 conductor, over. 6-4 conductor. Nate, all logged in. No exceptions. There was a activation failure county line road on number 2 track only in his limits. So I just talked to the MG. That's where he's working. We're going to be on 1 track, so that's not going to affect us. So he said that there's no need to give it to us. Otherwise, everything else. Right,
Post 4, 9er.4. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 512. End of transmission.
47, track 2, no defects. 4740.
Track 1 to track 1, west direction, switches are motor over. On 137 RS.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 4, 9er.4. Track 1.
Over.
205, got Gilbert and Katrie were on duty at 1100 hours. Got a dispatcher bulletin 5940, 31 messages. Got a CSX 3158, 3,300 gallons of fuel. We are 16 by 69, 5,000 tons, 7,000 feet. Not a key train, no work. Power's good at ton. Power's good at ton. No restriction on the cars or locomotives. You are good to go. No power's good at ton.
Alright, okay, West, have a good trip.
Alright, thank you.
CSX 10, new dispatcher, over.
Amtrak CO64 13, over.
64, go ahead, over.
Yes, excuse me, when I logged into the PCC, I picked up an extra order here, activation failure county line, QC 417.3 on number 2 track only. Looks like he's in his limits. Are we going to need that, over?
No, sir.
Okay, I take it we'll be running number 1 track. I thought that might be the case. Wanted to make sure before we left.
track.
No problem. That's it.
What is their target to track ECS? Coming in. Red 5764. He's clear, track 253, 560.
431, track 2 west, rapid duty.
Point 3. No defects.
CSX NG Jacksonville's answering, over.
Hey, dispatch, we're pulling in here, LO32 pulling in Niagara Yard. Any chance of getting that CP27 in, or is there something?
Oh, no, I just clicked it earlier. I think I forgot to double click and I didn't notice it. I got it in there.
Okay, cool, thanks. Talk to you in a little bit, thanks.
Sure, yep.
Okay.
6 SGM 56008 4531.
628 4531.
Hey, want to get that false partial flip over?
Oh, come on over.
We gotta go up a little further, Anthony?
Probably about 10 feet.
Alright, if you get our 10 feet there, 2 to 1. Yep, here we go. Just spot him when you're on, Anthony.
SD70AC trailing rebuild unit. bunch of metal in it. Chip car right there. Big, heavy, old freight train. I heard a horn. Look it. Whoa. Train meet. As soon as one ends, the other one begins. How awesome is that? From Wide World of Trains on YouTube. A couple of cool orange CSX coal cars. Or rock runner cars. That's how dangerous a train can be. You think the train is ending, somebody could have been in a hurry and went around the gate thinking, you know, oh, the train's over, not knowing another one's coming in the other direction. Always look both ways. Even if the gates are up, I look both ways. Because you never know. You know? And I just got here again. It seems like I say that every day. I got here, when I crossed the tracks, I seen the light down there. He came about 2 to 3 minutes after I saw the light. It'd be cool to see the Wide World of Trains car here. It's a black 16367 CDEX. That's the number of the Wide World of Trains car. You won't see it on this side. You'll see the number, but not the words Wide World of Trains. It's on the other side. Unless somehow the car got turned around. I haven't seen it in about 8 or 9 months. It's been a while. Like there's CDX 16089 right there. 16031, 16104, 16126. We're looking for 16367. 16134. There's a new one I've never seen before. 16175. Whole bunch of empty trash containers. Heading back to New York City. There's the end of CSX Q364. The first train that went by was the CSX Q561. That train originates in Selkirk, New York. Heads to the Queensgate Yard in Cincinnati, Ohio. That's the train I'm sending to Jawtooth. Then the train you just saw went by. The other direction was the Q364. That starts out in Avon, Indiana. Terminates in Selkirk, New York. All on this Thursday, December 23rd, 2021 from Wide World of Trains on YouTube. And there goes the phone. Hey everybody, Wide World of Trains here. Today we're doing a member shout out to the members of Wide World of Trains YouTube channel.